Easy installation. Just plug it in the wall. Turn the button on the side. Hit the on button. Heat is coming out. However, regulating the heat is an issue. We've called the company, we've emailed. There was minimal instructions in the box, and according to the instructions, this is not working properly. It goes.
As you can see, there's an odd number. It says EL, and I am trying to change the temperature, and nothing happens. If I do this, it's 5L. What does L mean? There's nothing in the instructions that talks about L. There's a 2L. I saw an H there. It jumps